Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today you will see how to crochet unique stitch pattern that I created recently for you. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of yarn. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. My stitch pattern based on 3 stitches and consists of 2 rows. All additional information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. Please join me and let's get started. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain. Make a chain of 17. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. Make a chain and single crochet into the second chain stitch away from the hook. And make single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Pattern consists of 3 stitches. I remind you, I created this pattern recently for you. So my cute stitch based on 3 stitches. I will repeat my pattern 5 times, so it means 15 stitches plus 2 stitches for a more beautiful look. So I did 17 chains in the foundation chain. You can make longer the foundation chain or shorter, it depends on your pattern. So let's make the last one. That's it, my first row is ready. This amazing stitch based on 12 stitches. Make chain of 6 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Well done. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook 4 times. To work with 12 stitch. 1, 2, 3 and 4. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and pull through 2 loops 5. Well done, my 12 stitch is ready. Make a chain, pull a little bit and pull up a loop to the level of the stitches. I will do next loops in the same level. I'm going to work with these loops. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop. 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have got 5 loops on the hook. As you can see, they are the same level. Then yarn over the hook. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through first 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops and pull through 2 loops. Here what I have. My unique stitch is ready. I remind you, this is my own stitch pattern. You can use such kind of pattern for any product and for any project. I continue working on my stitch pattern. Let's stop and look what I have done. Let's repeat one more time. Yarn over the hook 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. My 12 stitch is ready. Make a chain, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the loop, pull up a loop into the same level. 2, 3 and 4. I have got 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over the hook, Insert the hook through the second stitch, pull up a loop. Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops. Let's stop and look at the second stitch. My gorgeous stitches are ready. I colored them lacy stitch pattern, so keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete this row. My row 1 is almost ready. I just need to finish it. Now I show you how to complete my row. In this case, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the last stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. My row 1 is done. Then it's gonna be row 3. It will be a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet them. Pattern consists of 3 stitches and has 2 rows. Make a chain, turn the work, insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. As you remember, I told you that my stitch based on 3 stitches and 3 tops. Make 3 single crochet into this stitch, 1, 2. Make and single crochet into the next stitch. Here what I have. Then make single crochet twice, 1, 2, and single crochet through the next stitch. Continue 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and the third one through the next stitch. Keep working in this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete my current row. Insert the hook into the last chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top, or the 6th chain stitch from the bottom. Make single crochet. This is the front. Let's crochet my toe stitches for my unique one. And I remind you, my pattern consists of 2 rows and based on 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Turn the work, yarn over the hook 4 times. Insert the hook into the stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. 2, 3, 4, 5. Make a chain, pull up a loop, insert the hook into the loop. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, and pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. My first stitch in this row is ready. Let's repeat one more time. For this one, this stitch based on 3 stitches and 3 tops. For the next one, yarn over the hook 4 times, insert the hook through the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 2 loops 5 times. Continue, pull up the working loop, insert the hook 1, 2, 3, 4. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second stitch, pull up a loop, Yarn over, pull through 3 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops, pull through 2 loops. My second stitch in this row is ready. So keep working this way till the end of this row, and you should repeat as many times as you need for your project. So that's it, my swatch is ready. I remind you, my pattern based on 3 stitches and 3 tops and has 2 rows. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own project. And I remind you, I started from the foundation chain that consists of 17 chains. You can crochet longer or shorter your foundation chain. This is my oven stitch pattern. This is my current stitch based on tall stitches. You can use treble crochet, double treble crochet stitch, triple treble, and so on. For example, I have done exact stitches but used another color of yarn and another kind of yarn. For this one, I took 100% mercerized cotton yarn. Please write comment below this video what you will get with me and where you will use my cool stitch pattern or lacy stitch pattern. Don't be afraid to experiment. Please use your imagination to create your own unique project. See you next time, and good luck in crocheting. Bye!